Having the right camera can completely change the quality of your photos. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best cameras for photography, so you'll never have to suffer through bad quality photos again. The only issue is that a camera might work great for a friend, but might not be the best for you, because most cameras are not made specifically with photographers in mind, which is why I made sure to include options for all types of situations. So regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect camera for you. All the links to find the best prices on all products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned until the end, so you don't miss anything. Number 5. Sony a6000. If you're looking for the top bang for the buck, check out Sony a6000, the best value camera for beginners in 2023. As we can see, the new 24.3 megapixels APS-C sensor is leading the revamp. An increase in resolution with the same sensor size seems bold and raises the first suspicion regarding a possible increase in signal-to-noise at high sensitivities. On the other hand, that's something Sony is not afraid of, because its latest sensors boast more than outstanding performance in this regard. It includes a Bronx processor, the same as its older sister Sony a7. The highlight of the sensors is that it includes pixels for focus, which leads it to become one of model's focal points. It has an impressive 179 autofocus points, compared to the 99 incorporated by the Next 6, along with phase detection. We cannot ignore the inclusion of the latest Sony processor, the Bionics, which is already present in the a7 and a7R, for example. As for the design, the body now seems more solid. The posture is a bit more prominent, and the lines are straighter and clean. Trying to move away from the Next to get closer to the a7 family, we find a new arrangement of buttons. Some new ones appear, and the possibilities of their customization have increased. It should also be noted that the interface menu has changed for the better now, more similar to its alpha range, with more serious logical and easy menus and options. Another aspect to notice is that we didn't find a touchscreen. Yes, it's changed in terms of appearance. Now the format is 16:9. We find Wi-Fi connectivity, again something that already seems essential to many, and in addition, an NFC connection has arrived, which is a faster option for transferring images to a compatible mobile device. In addition to using applications such as Play Memories for remote control of the camera for the listed price, you can't beat this one. Number 4. Canon EOS Rebel SL3. The next product on our review list is the Canon EOS Rebel SL3, aka the best DSLR camera for beginners available on the market in 2023. First-time DSLR owners on a budget will appreciate the Canon EOS Rebel's SL3's price, ease of use and built-in guide. There are enough features to allow those interested in exploring all aspects of photography, while learning the basics like shutter speed, aperture, and depth of field through the built-in help system. Bloggers are likely to make this the camera of choice, thanks to its fully articulated touchscreen with side hinges, and there's a 3.5mm microphone jack. Provide better audio quality for videos. Canon is one of the few companies that seems to understand the importance of a fully articulated monitor, and despite being an entry-level model, the SL3 has an LCD screen touch-sensitive with side hinges like its predecessors. Since the monitor can be adjusted to any required angle, it's perfect for shooting shots from above or from the ground, as well as selfies using a live view monitor instead of a browser. Provides users with a real-time overview of configuration settings. This is new to SL, and a great learning tool. Change the white balance, and the results are immediately visible. Other benefits of using Live View include access to the excellent dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection AF. The SL3 does a good job of balancing light and shadow in high-contrast environments. Images retain detail and darker subjects. Although the SL3 uses the same battery as its predecessor, the new camera's Digit Gate processor more than doubles battery life to between 1,000 and 1,600 images. The SL3 is one of the first budget DSLRs capable of shooting 4K video, but resolution isn't everything. Of course, videos look good with nice colors and are generally accurate, but for some reason, Canon decided to drop 24p 24 frames per second for full HD 1920 by 1080 video, so you're stuck with 30p and 60p. However, this will still not be a problem for many users. Number 3. Nikon Z50. Up next we present to you the Nikon Z50 is also known as the best mirrorless camera for beginners on the market in 2023. The Z50 is the company's first mirrorless camera with an APS-C sensor, a product that raised some expectations because price is a much more affordable camera than the Nikon C6 and Z7, intended for advanced and professional users. The Nikon Z50 has features that place it between the Nikon D5600 and the Nikon D7500, even when it comes to image quality, which we found to be pretty good. We can compare it to the Nikon D500 professional camera. If there's one thing that makes this camera stand out and may become a temptation for, much of it's because of the sizing efforts that Nikon has made in this model. Feels quite light, weighing 450 grams without the lens, but it doesn't feel flimsy, although you can't expect it to be as strong as the Nikon D7500. The Z50 is reinforced with a magnesium frame, which should allow you to withstand a fall if it's not too sudden. Ergonomics is well achieved, thanks to the typical Nikon grip that allows you to hold it with great harness. The Z50 screen is foldable and allows you to control it with your fingers. The rear screen is a full-on touchscreen and can be folded down to see yourself, something very useful for shooting photos and videos in the first person. One of the things that convinced us the most was that Nikon decided to use this same Z-mount as its full-frame cameras, and the autofocus speed is excellent even in very low light. This model also detects faces and eyes to focus with great agility. The high-speed shooting speed is also exceptional, as it can reach 11 frames per second with continuous focus, so it will be hard to miss even the most fleeting moments. Video recording covers the entire surface of the image, so there's no clipping when recording, and it reaches 30 FPS when recording in 4K mode. Overall, we are impressed. Number 2. Nikon D3500. Up next, we present to you the silver medal title of the runner-up best camera for beginners on the market in 2023. The Nikon D3500. Nikon announces this model as a camera that combines the best manufacturing quality with incredible performance. The D3500 is very small, in line with the Canon US200D, and in any case significantly lighter than many mirrorless models with the same sensor size. The good news is that it doesn't feel cheap or flimsy in the hands, and in fact, the handle and grip are excellent for its segments and price. We also like Bluetooth wireless connection system, which once the camera and mobile phone are connected, can transfer images automatically and easily. Although the lack of Wi-Fi limits the functions a bit, we now have the ability to record remotely from a mobile, albeit without a preview. The important thing, and what surprises some users about this, the camera, is its image quality, with no gimmicks or surprises. It uses the same 24-megapixel CMOS as its little sisters. Good color, good detail, some excellent direct pegs, and dynamic range, especially if we dare to work in RAW format, which is simply spectacular for a camera. At this price, the Nikon D3500 offers a 24.2 MP DX APS-C format sensor, and the sensitivity of 125,600 ISO guarantees a high level of detail in full HD photos, even when shooting in low light situations. Lighting good stuff. A thumbs up from here. Number 1. Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. Finally, we present to you the long-awaited gold medal in the title of the best overall camera for beginners in 2023. Meet Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. This model is elegant, stylish, and incredibly light with an updated 20-megapixel sensor and improvements in autofocus. The camera looks ready to press. We really like the EM10 Mark III because it's a fantastic little device with lots of valuable features to boast about, like its compact body, 5-axis image stabilization, and 4K video capabilities. One of the key new features of the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV is the addition of a 20-megapixel LiveMOS sensor, which is a step up from the previous generation's 16-megapixel sensor. This brings the EM10 series in line with the latest versions of the EM5 and EM1 series, which also use 20 megapixels. The Mark IV also features a compact body image stabilization unit, with up to 4.5 f compensation rates, and high-speed 15 FPS burst shooting. There is also improved continuous AF accuracy for continuously focusing on moving subjects. subjects. Meanwhile, face priority and high priority AF can now focus on faces in profile or looking down, which should help users capture sharp portraits even from unconventional angles. This Olympus also has a variety of shooting modes, including auto scene, advanced photo, and the art filter. The AP mode brings challenging shooting techniques to the entry level, such as panoramas, HDR, and more. The Mark IV retains the 4K video capabilities of the Mark III, but has the added benefit of a tilting LCD monitor that can be rotated down to 180 degrees for standalone video and vlogging. Meanwhile, as you'd expect from a camera like this one, there's also Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built right into the camera body. The 15 FPS burst is nice and fast, which is useful for shooting fast-moving subjects. Whether you're a smartphone enthusiast looking to upgrade to a proper camera, wanting to take high-quality family shots, or just looking for a lightweight, the camera that takes you with you on your travels, the Mark IV could be the perfect camera for you. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best cameras for beginners in 2023. Comment and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest video.